In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable AdBlock in Chrome. If you're trying to view a website properly and an ad blocker is getting in the way, Chrome gives you a couple of simple ways to turn it off. You can either disable it just for one specific site, which is usually the best option, or you can turn the extension off completely across Chrome. I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose the one that works best for you. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're on the website or page where you want the ad blocker disabled, especially if you only want to pause blocking for that one site. Next, look at the top right corner of the Chrome toolbar and click the puzzle icon. This is the extensions menu, and it shows the browser extensions currently available in Chrome. If your ad blocker is installed, you should see it listed there. Click on your ad blocker from the extensions menu. Once it opens, look for an option that lets you turn blocking off for the current website or page. The wording may vary depending on which ad blocker you use, but it will usually say something like pause on this site, don't run on this page, or disable for this website. Select that option to stop the ad blocker from interfering with just that page. This is helpful if you still want protection on other websites while allowing one site to work normally. If you want to disable the ad blocker completely instead of just for one site, go back to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. From there, go to Extensions and then choose Manage Extensions. This will open the page where all your installed Chrome extensions are listed. Find your ad blocker in the list. You'll see a blue switch next to it if it's currently turned on. Click that switch to move it to the off position. Once you do that, the extension will be disabled and it will stop blocking ads throughout Chrome until you turn it back on. If you no longer want the ad blocker installed at all, you also have the option to click Remove. That will delete the extension entirely from Chrome instead of just turning it off temporarily. And that's it. Whether you disable it for one site or switch it off completely, Chrome makes the process quick and easy. If a website still doesn't update right away, try refreshing the page after making the change so the new settings take effect.